Yes, today we will discuss on the life cycle management. Like product life cycle management, normally that generally life cycle management in the product. Like how we can say, like when product is introduction, like that is the introduction stage, and slowly the sales will be pick up. That time we can say it is a growth stage, and one time the sales will go to the peak some period, so that will be the maturity stage, and slowly after some time the sales will be decreased, that is a declining, and maybe after some years the product will be dead. Like you can take some some brands, those are the like market leaders once upon a time, but now you will not able to find those products in the market. Say for example Citra is the cool drink that is a market leader in 1990, but now you will not able to find that product. Same thing, like you can say Yamaha RX100, something like that. So this life cycle management also we can configure in the APO demand planning. Here we have the two parts in the life cycle management. One is the life profile and another one is the phase in phase out. What is the life profile and what is the phase in phase out? Like a life profile is, say for example, if any new product is there which is not having the history. Normally for the new product we will not have any history value. But to run a statistical forecast we need a history value. So in this case what we can do, we will refer any similar product history and we will run the statistical forecast for the new product. In the yes, in the system we will give we will do the configuration for this new product. Please read a history from the existing product. So it will read a history from other product or similar product and it will generate a history for the new product. Another example, for example, Nokia N93 model is there and N93i is the new introduction. So N93i doesn't have any forecast, any statistical, any history is here. So like N93i is similar to N93, but might be some additional features are there. So here we can expect like a sales, it is like a similar to N93i at least some period, or it will be 20% more or 20% less to the N93. So then in this case what we can say to the system, please refer the N93 history and generate a forecast to N93i. And here you can give the weightage also. You want 100% history or you want to 90 or you want to 150%. Like based on the weightage, it will take that much of weightage of the history of that product, similar product, and it will generate a forecast for the new product. And another concept is the phase in and phase out. Like when I want to introduce a product and when I want to disconnect a product. If you give a configuration in the system, automatically system will take care. Say for example, I want to introduce a product in January 1st, and I want to disconnect the product in December. Like coming 2012 January 1st, I want to introduce one product and I want to disconnect on December 31st. But now only I will configure that product in the system, so that we will not worry about it will generate a forecast for the next month, for the December. It will start based on the phase in phase out configuration. It will start generating the forecast from January 1st to it will end automatically December 31st. But normally in other cases it will run the statistical forecast till October 2013. That is the end of our bucket, 24 months. But in this case, system automatically will stop running the statistical forecast after the December 2012. Like that we have the control. So just if you configure.
So life cycle planning is basically for like any new products that are coming in.
Yeah, it is a new product, and old products also I want to disconnect it after the December 2012, we can apply the life cycle planning.
Phase out.
Yeah. So first we will see this configuration. And for the life cycle planning, there is a two prerequisitions are there. One is in the MPAS and another one is the planning area. Like in the planning area means like a master forecast profile. First you can go to the MPAS, select your MPAS. Ours is ZAPO1. Go to the display. And go to the edit, assign product and location. This is the compulsory. Actually in the MPAS, we need to give a product and location like a 9 MRTR and 9 loco. This is the this settings is mandatory. And in the master forecast profile, we need to activate the life cycle planning. Go to the master forecast profile. Our master forecast profile is ZAPO1, and yes, here life cycle planning active. We should activate this life cycle planning in the master forecast profile. Then only it will consider the life cycle planning. So I am saving. So these are the prerequisitions, Sandeep.
Okay.
Then
So
what?
we have two in MPAS and another one is planning area.
Yes, yeah, not planning area, exactly like it's like a maintained forecast profile.
Okay.
And another one is what I will do, I will create a new CVC for this scenario, so that like a results will be clear. So existing CVCs, we have the history and we have the forecast. So that is the reason I will create a new CVC so that we can easily understand. So create a CVC, go to the MPAS, right click, maintain, create a CVC. So here I will create two products. One is for the like profile and another one is for the phase in and phase out. So I will create as a P like. This is for the life cycle like profile. So one product I am creating as a P like. This is for the like profile, and another product I will create for the phase in and phase out. Phase in and phase out. So once I have created the CVCs, we need to go to the planning area and we need to run the consistency check. Right click, display, extra, consistency, time series, version 000, active version, log, repair, log, and live cache anchor. Now we will start the configuration.
Okay.
Otherwise, first I will go to the SDP 94. First we will see without giving any history how system will behave to run a statistical forecast. And once we set up that one, and once we set up the life cycle planning, then we can see how it will be behavior, so that we can easily understand the difference. Here I am taking the P like product. Just I am loading this product. Now here there is no history for this product. You can see there is no history for this product. Now I am running the statistical forecast. Simply it will give a message like a not possible to carry out the statistical forecast since it doesn't have any history.
Okay.
But here now what we are doing, like we will take the similar product and we will ask the system to read that product history. Physically we are not giving any history for P like, but it will refer like a P1 product history.
Okay.
So SAP menu, APO, demand planning, environment, and go to the life cycle planning.
Okay. Okay.
And here we need to give our planning area, and here life profile and phase in phase out. Both are the different scenarios. First we will see the life profile, then we can go to the phase in and phase out.
Okay.
And here first we need to do the basic settings, then we need to do the assignments. So first I am going to the basic settings. Select the basic settings and give the planning area and execute here. So here you can see what are the characteristics you want to use for the life cycle planning. We can take the characteristics. Like normally we used to do at a product and location level. So that's why I have given the characteristics as a 9A Matnar and a 9A Lokano. But if you want to do aggregated level, say for example product family or brand or like a region level, like that, you want to do aggregated level, you have to select these two options.
Okay.
But normally all the scenarios, like mostly we will do into the like a list hierarchy, nothing but like a Matnar and Lokano level only.
Okay.
So execute this one. So now the basic settings is over. So now the basic settings we have assigned. Then go to the basic settings and go to the life profile.
Like, Kalyan, when you mean aggregated, like, do you mean for the whole, like, product version, like, for group? You'll be assigning the whole life cycle planning for the whole product group?
Yes.
Okay.
And here in the characteristic we can take the product, like product level we want to do, and the ZAPO1 I am giving the name of the life cycle planning. Then here reference value, which product you want to refer. So we want to refer P1 product. P1 already having the history.
Yeah.
So yesterday we have given history for the P1. So now I am referring the P1 history. And here, like you want to take sum or you want to take average. So for the aggregated level, we need to take as an average. If it is a individual level, we need to take as a sum.
Okay.
And here, how much percentage you want to refer? Like you want to refer 100% of P1 history, or you want to 70% of the P1 history. Say for example, history is 100, you want to take exactly the 100 number, or you want to take only 70, or you want to take 150, like that.
Okay.
So save it. And here what we given, I will explain you. We are giving a reference product. Which product history you want to read, and how much percentage it should be read. So these are the values we have given, and we have created as a like profile. Now I have created a like profile and I am assigning this to my product. So what is the product we want to do like profile? We have to do on the P like. Location L1. And like profile name is ZAPO1. So I will take this ZAPO1 and enter. And then execute it. So what here we did, first going to the basic settings, and here at what level we want to do the life cycle planning, we have taken that characteristics. Normally we used to take the very detailed level, nothing but like a 9A Matnar and 9A Lokano. This is one thing. And next one, go to the basic settings and the like profile. Here we will refer what is the product you want to refer. Like we want to refer P1 product history, and we want to run the life cycle planning for the P like. So for that one P1 I have created in the like profile, and here P like I have given for the reference. So now go to the interactive planning /SAP APO SDP 94 and select product location product P like location L1. So now I am loading the data. Now still we are not having any history for this product, no history for this product, but if I run the statistical forecast, it should read the P1 history and it should generate the statistical forecast based on our like profile setting. See, now you are able to find the history, you are able to find the forecast. So because it is reading the P1 forecast, P1 history and generating the history. And if you go to the messages, you can see here the following P like profile was used, ZAPO1. And now I will compare with the P1.
So it will also fill out the history for the P like.
No, it will not fill the history, just it will read the history only.
Only, and then it will give you the forecast.
Yes. It will not give anything, just it will simply it will read the history. So now you can see the forecast of P-like. Yes. And here history, you will not find any history for the P-like. You will not find any history for the P-like. It will having only history for the P1 product, but it is generating a statistical forecast for the P1 and P-like. Forecast for P1 and P-like. So here the difference is might be it is running with one model and it is running with another model. So that is only the reason.
And it will not consider promotion value also, right?
It will not consider. No, it will not consider any value. See, here it is a blank. Only it will read the other product history and it will generate a statistical forecast. It will not read any other key figure. Clear, Sandeep?
Yes, clear, it's clear.
Okay. Now, what we can do, we will do the phase in and phase out. So we have selected another product as a P in out. So what I want to do this product, I want to introduce that product in January 1st and I want to disconnect that product in December 31st for 2012. So if I run the statistical forecast now, it should start the forecasting, generating a forecast from January 1st and it should end December end. But normally if you run any product forecast, it will start from the present month or from next month and it will end with the end of the bucket. Our bucket is 2013 October. So go to the like profiling, life cycle planning, go to the phase in phase out and here I will give a name as ZAPO1 and here start date I am giving 1st January 2012, 31st 2012. So only 1 year I want to give a forecast like a phase in here, phase out here. Both I am doing the same scenarios. And here we can give the weightage also. Like in January, it will give only 70%. Here it is 80%. Here it is 90%. Like that also we can maintain the values. So save and execute and go to the assignment. And for P in out, this is the product. and location L1, phase in profile,
Kavin, can you give me 1 minute?
yeah.
Wow. Give us. Yeah, that sounds good. Okay. 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 Oh, that's all. Sure, I can do that. Okay. Yeah. Sounds good. And I mean, I'm not sure I haven't signed anyway yet, but when you visit that fine, I mean, I think your account should do that here. Yeah, I'll probably do that sometime tomorrow. I mean, I'm gonna try and split in the country the price machine, so. Okay.